Seperti kalian tahu, uh, DNTDM pernah berkomentar tentang produknya Mr. Beast, Logan Paul dan KSI yang bernama Lansley. Ketika itu 16 September 2024 mereka rilis produk Lansley ini, produk makanan yang bisa dibilang target marketnya adalah anak-anak ya. Dan semua orang sebenarnya komennya negatif terhadap produk ini, dan salah satu yang terkenal adalah DNTDM. Dia nge-tweet kayak gini, ini adalah tweet infamous dari DNTDM yang sangat terkenal. What happened to YouTubers, man? I cannot say anything anymore. This is selling stuff for the sake of making money. Simple. How does this benefit their fans? This is selling crap to kids who don't know better than to trust the people who are selling it to them. Do better, buset. Dan ini 57,9 juta, 600 ribu like, 67 ribu retweet dan 9 ribu replay. Dan mayoritas semua orang justru di pihak DNTDM di sini setuju sama dia, sependapat sama dia ya. Ini juga rame bisa dibilang karena DNTDM adalah YouTuber Minecraft, family friendly yang jarang berkomentar tentang drama-drama atau apa yang terjadi di publik gitu. Jadi dia jarang kasih komentar, dia selalu diem. Tapi sekarang tiba-tiba dia ngeluarin komentar se-epic ini, jadi rame banget. Dan karena ramenya itu nyampe ke telinga KSI ya. Dan semenjak ini KSI jadi ini ke DNTDM terus. Dia bisa bilang punya dendam.
What happened to YouTubers, man? I can't not say anything anymore. This is selling stuff for the sake of making money. Simple. How does this benefit their fans? This is selling crap to kids who don't know better than to trust the people who are selling it to them. Do better. Do better.
Padahal aslinya sakit tuh dia.
This is what he had to say. What happened to you?
Ya, semenjak itu kalian pasti tahu seharusnya ya, gue udah pernah sering infoin juga kalau KSI terus-terusan nyenggol DNTDM, dia respon ke DNTDM, dia nyindir-nyindir DNTDM dan gak dibalas-balas setelah berbulan-bulan. Tapi sekarang pada akhirnya DNTDM respon soal masalah Lansley itu ya. Dia terakhir tuh cuma ini doang, dia diem doang di Twitter, gak ada ngomongin soal Lansley dan KSI lagi. Dan sekarang dia respon di sebuah podcast bersama Tommy Innit. Gue belum nonton ini dan gue cukup penasaran gimana pernyataan dia tentang itu.
I really do.
Yeah, with the whole Twitter stuff that happened, the aura was quite strong.
That's what he goes on about. I think
I couldn't believe that. It was like,
was it mad?
yeah, like the whole. It felt a bit Game of Thronesy. Like the whole internet like had my back, which was
Ya betul.
kind of
Oh
wild.
yeah.
Ya semua orang pada mendukung DNTDM karena dia bisa dibilang YouTuber legend ya. YouTuber Minecraft, YouTuber legend. Semua orang yang nonton DNTDM sekarang udah dewasa dan banyak yang mendukung dia.
It was really cool. Was it cool? Were you just sat in your room like, this is a bit mad?
Yeah, it was a bit ridiculous for like.
It was
for like 2
awesome.
weeks.
And then living the dream. Living the dream was crazy. I like, mate, he's been crying.
Living the Dream. Oh ya, Living the Dream tweet lanjutannya ya. Dia nge-tweet setelah nge-tweet Lansley itu dia nge-tweet Living the Dream. Padahal KSI lagi sering-seringnya nyindir dia di Twitter. Ya enggak sih? Oh iya dia nge-tweet ini Living the Dream. Living the Dream padahal ini KSI itu lagi nyenggol-nyenggol dia di Twitter, lagi berusaha dapat atensi dari DNTDM tapi nggak direspon. Dia justru malah nge-tweet Living the Dream kayak gini. Savage, keren.
Oh, that's sick, man. It was so awesome watching. Seeing all that meme of like, no one speaks ill of this man. And it was like,
There was a few of like, you know, the Gru meme where it's like he's got the gun held up to the thing.
Which
So
one?
it's like you don't speak ill of Dan TDM, and then it was
Oh, yeah.
with the gun like pointing at him. It was so funny.
It's just like,
Because like my family aren't big YouTube watchers, they don't
Yeah.
know
Yes,
the
I
whole
chopper,
like,
yeah,
scene
betul.
at all. They were sending me memes. I was
Sakit
like, oh
itu dia.
god, this has gone
my
like,
like
way
dad
too
just got
far.
real big.
Yeah.
It was how like he just what I just enjoyed is like he couldn't get around his head why I don't think he's never not been the top dog before. The way I described it is like if you're in school and like me and Jack are year 8s and he's like a year 10 and then for the first time ever the really kind year 11 goes no and he's like
Yeah.
never had that happen before.
I think
it was
it's
just
more as well. Like I
love
couldn't be
school
bothered to like
hierarchy.
fight. Like he loves the whole back and forth. That's what the whole boxing stuff's
what he
about.
wants.
Like
Oke. Jadi dia sadar bahwa KSI itu suka yang drama-drama begitu ya, yang respon-respon begitu di Twitter. Dan dia DNTDM ini lebih ke orang yang chill, santai, jadi dia nggak respon
I
ya.
get it. I understand it. But it was
Sengaja.
funnier to not feed into it because
Just
It was funnier to not fit into it because
you just
exhausting.
watch it happen. It was fun.
Was it fun?
It was
just to
fun.
sit
it was fun.
back and
It was funny.
I just didn't get it, man. Oh, it was so funny as viewers.
He got
wasn't
like
it?
so. I think the thing it was just crazy how because you didn't really go for him that badly. You were just like, I think it's a bit of shit.
Yeah.
And he just like
I didn't,
lost
yeah, I
his
didn't feel like
mind.
I went in that badly.
You
Maybe
really
the do
didn't.
better was quite harsh, but
Oh,
Well,
fuck off!
I mean-
don't do that, Dan. You that
No,
was fine.
it-
product.
I remember when I was 13 thinking, man, and I used to say this to all my mates, like when I was 13, 14, I wonder what it'd be like to be KSI. That'd be
Yeah.
incredible, watching the diss tracks. And then I had 10 million subscribers when I was 16, 17.
God
You know,
damn.
more than KSI when he was doing the diss tracks. And I was like, oh, nothing's changed. I'm still just me.
Yeah.
They're just like wankers. Why is that everyone like, it doesn't give you an excuse to be a dickhead.
I
he's
gotta
still
give props
kind of
to
going.
you.
He's still. I think I was in his YouTube title like a week
Is
ago.
he still on it?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Because I can't make a song as good as his, could I?
Could you
I
not?
could never get 50 million streams. That was the whole thing.
No.
Dan TDM could never do
But when
No.
he finds out about hate watching, he's gonna like have a panic attack because he like he was.
He should make you should make a song called "Thin of It." Just really,
They know
just
it.
really like rip it off
They
to
know
like
it.
the nth degree.
Wah, epic banget kalau tiba-tiba Dan TDM rilis lagu judulnya Teen Outfit ya.
No, yeah, I just don't know why.
I think some of it as well was interesting where I think he thought like it was all my fans going for him when actually I don't
It was
think
his
that
fans.
was the case.
No, it was the internet.
It was
Yeah.
just it was like I think
You know what we were saying earlier about when you have an impact beyond today and yesterday.
Yeah.
Like it's that. It's like you raised us all, man. I was watching in year 4. Like you know,
Yeah.
and that's so special.
yeah, it wasn't like you could make a message like guys stop. Like these people aren't the people actively watching the videos.
Yeah.
Particularly like these are the people that just like have fond memories.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ya,
Really?
It was a very good time to be online.
It was.
It was. It really was.
I was just
Damn,
in New
itu
York. And I
September
didn't know any of it
terjadi,
had gone
anjir.
on. I was on FaceTime. I was just getting sent meme after just getting read out. It was because when all 3 of them clapped
Oh,
back,
yeah.
and you were
I-
just 1v3 in. It was like
You know what's funny as well? My wife was always like, just think before you tweet. That was one time I didn't really think too much before tweeting. Usually I'll
Keren sih,
type it
keren sih.
out and be like, no, I can't bother, delete it.
Yeah.
So and then I didn't tell her for like 3 days, and she's not on Twitter
Keren
really.
sih,
So
keren sih.
I didn't tell, and then I kept getting notifications from my phone. I was like, oh, Logan Paul's responded. Jimmy's messaged you. KSI's responded. I was
It had
like,
to be
well, I'm
like-
gonna have to mention something now.
what was,
Yeah,
that
just say
like?
to your wife.
What was it like? Hey, babe. So
yeah. She was like, oh, well, I agree with you, but maybe you should just not kind of
Yeah.
like stop.
Dia itu bukan stylenya Dan TDM banget sih emang. Dia tuh YouTuber Minecraft yang family friendly banget. Ibaratnya ngelihat Miao Auk tiba-tiba nge-tweet komentarnya tentang something di internet ya. Kan jarang banget ya. Kan aneh banget ya.